Episode 4 we nyina akwa babra so say ye twetwe omai mu nkomo mu say du Friday say ye kasa fa niema e ka ya brabo ankasa na anopai yitia yi pa yensa ka honorable Nana Oyelitha obeka ye ho ha say na ye bedi nkomo pa program nti betwa ne din so tia na ya frɛ no Nana Prekope na akwa ba
ye ja bibi abokoze
nyame na adom ye hu ye and me front be face no basa akakra bi na misu abra me okay post na anyway 8144 no betimi di adwen shaba once again men kai mo say ne best point ya another branch aye bi e wo Kumasi Central business district ho and na ye KJT Kumasi without KJT no enye Kumasi inti SAT ho na ye bi sabre ya say koso nti agi kan ka kire mo say wo kwa no afa passport size pictures ene wo sika no fa na fa ko udura pay ye bia na nso so bia account ho ya ba no nyanko enti eno ho asma ntitumi kana ko ye bia pay ye hye adwuma ase enya afi ne ye be pɛ dan apa adwumayefo ye fa adwumayefo na train o mo dada ena dan no so si nti wi apɛ na de akwakotum eno 144 no betumi de adwen kire aba na etwetwe nkomo afa na no Elitha ye minister gender children social protection enti efa ye nyina ye ho nana gender children social protection ye bisa say basically ye hwe aban den na ministry na nkasa niema mo ye a be hwe say amanfo ye nim say obi a ho ntimi nto no nwie da but at least kakra bi a ye ho beto ye I'm told say other countries bi ho akọ a omo support bi ni ade ye behwe ni nyina wa say but anope me hwe daily graphic echi was leap arrears to be paid from Monday you didn't say leap nso ye the support man for benim so who story yeah
okay here ministry in a press conference
okay
leap oyen hyehyɛ a abanze be 2007 2008 yehwe extremely poor people in Ghana.
Okay, if I say uhia brubro. No, better can they hear brubro.
Yenyim de yen nuanum bi wo ho a wontum mboa won ho. Mmoframa won maame na won papa wewu orphans and vulnerable children. In painful nkokra and mrowa above 65 years. Woko pension, woko retirement, waye juma. Want to me ye juma biom. Apart from that, severely disabled persons. Into them categories, a bar saying, want to mumwa one home. Into or there a ban or support one. Into busume bien biaran, yama one sikaka kra. Was a butcher one into 2007 na was started was started 2000 about starting 1,600 households into yema the household says here and ye drew 77,006
from 1,600
to
77,000
77,000
oh that's a massive leap now so na some na yake
into across 103 districts or her ene basan bosume bien here yemiska na answer na President Mahama be president last year na years ago arrears na yenchie ni nyina but afi Ministry of Finance wa mayenska into yetum yechetia yanka ni nyina into Monday no yeba shase de yechia biom but as at October no akawa yezi nyina yechia
okay so that will be a WhatsApp group no mu bia no obenya ni sika
Mpochenyo obiara owo membership card a wa register there obenye sika under leap from Monday obenye ni sika apart from that abane hyehyɛ there say ewo dem card na wa register aban wa register one etum enya national health free of charge
okay
encheske bia as wo card no ko national health wo leap card as a national health officer wo be your registration wa mo into say e na ko hospital a encheske bia into hyehyɛ ya
I see so ebetumi aba say obi wo ho a or sa category mu a or enjoy leap but debi oba obetumi obefim
The
circumstances betumi as sama na film
portraying your circumstances between, but say no uncrofa award on one film apart from there ebeke baby and to say eke babies are na ye wasn't
okay
from there, but yeri and she from next year there obi wo hwa obotum ebia nasitna basisa apart from leap na yema that is the lowest no aban wo other social protection and she say ye were less dep wo ho ye were maslock so wo ho ye were block farming and na ye were labor intensive public works labor intensive public works ministry of local government and she say during the lean season na one yen farming no yen konfu farming no we have about 55,000 so far in the rural areas awobwa wosi dam na woye kwan wotwa kwan na woye irrigation projects and to honor them no say e will leap dra from next year na ye pede yezen shesheba able to migrate onto them programs and now let's step woye hairdressing woye mobile phone repair and azama baby into say e will leap do ebia awoba say say abofraba no ko school into butuma ye edwume bin na ya migrate to onto let's step or other social protection programs into ye shebia from next year years about to ho na e will leap no dra or there will ban panza war immunization or they make sure they were here or they will ban suko school inti sikana yeman onye de aban or to sika or za mankrofu debi in she wo conditions bi wo ho or they is satisfied inti nyina no yen social welfare officers na or districts and what share apart from that since local government assemblies no war committee wo friend a click committee war community num into one so wash e one na wo bode huru there in the ye betu sika into nhihye nyina wo aban under Department of Social Welfare and a hen Ministry of Gender and Yehwe
wo kan asem ko eba metimi ne se yet say amman bi ni mo ha obekọ ye so mo wo system bi ye say welfare system and those things e bia na ye wo ha ya na say ye de ne different
mpọtro bi na ye wo ha ekọ Pakistan na wo program Benazir Bhutto support program eko Brazil ye wo Bolsa Familia eko Mexico ye wo Oportunidad Nades on one into one that man hyehyɛ nyina wo ho say ye ko UK wo one social welfare system ye kado the bosom bi ankofo bi sika na yenyim there ehia ne developing country into sika non draws like other countries but that man hyehyɛ in na ya start the year say e can aban social protection that man share other boa for the welfare of Ghana from ye were 44 nkokoko 44 ya can 44 into say a Ministry of Finance and a local government and a Ministry of Gender ya research na ya hwe there them man buana aban ozem magana from which of them in the world boapa there ozi poverty or reducing yes and then rich and poor ohia na obi a owo sika na there gap bi wo won tem into aban hyehyɛ aban interventions na obama gap no wa ketekete into yafa 11 do baako aban ba mesika yes behwe so national health yakor
ewo ho na mpacho ye behwe saa niema ni nyina but question ba ko bi say sese he say ye ka say ehia obi a then what are the indicators no ne wa hen or sometimes we are we say bibia ni ho utumi ka say ne tare na de ehia me pa so what type of person are you hwe no
statistical service and aban why definition no into yehwe sika purchasing power ewo ebia we peg under ebia under $2 and we sika na nyan below the minimum wage into your definition na yes extremely of who are nipa yes extremely poor. Apart from that, a statistical service wo poverty ranking districts bia wo tu mo kan there district nkrofo day wo nyi sika there won tu momboa won ho. Inti wa hyehyɛ districts, all districts in Ghana no wo botu maka the Denmark district sika nyi won krofo wo won that we have this number of extremely poor people. Apart from that, in the district no communities wo ho. Into statistical service abantum kade Denmark communities wo Denmark district nkrofo wo won ohia wo ho papa. Inti se aban re yen hyehyɛ a ana ye development programs ye tum ye target the district or the ye boa district ana to the 3 northern regions USA dream sika aban sika de wo hu de aya wo abofraba ontum nyeziban papenzi into onya kwashoko na stanton abofraba botum abegina ha was wezi 10 years. Na se to kit be was or your stanton. Ono se wenya
in tree no say wa adada.
Okay. Inti wenya abofraba na wa won wenye ziban papa onza obe affect the brain na adwen na ne development. Inti abanse or
there mo square no mo brain no.
Inyo. Inti abanse or there ye target na ye boa mamifun na wotum wonye sika woto eziban na wonu eziban papa ma dem amboframan into say yerfa imbesiafo a wo mboframa below 2 years and pregnant women impim awoche 8,000 for the next 4 years for the 3 northern regions because statistical service say 3 northern regions no nya wo papa into them man share na that's how yetum ye determine the district or there yeboa ana district or there yeboa
nana I didn't think there was 3 northern regions in here baho. I mean, we there for you as a people. The reason is that more resources be brave. In Miami be brave or a holy fee. So I didn't think I was from where I didn't think I was here.
But one reason I may observe there or historical there yes mbrofone be na colonial rule even at independence ye hu there development ni nyina oba south into historical several decades ago into say an or there ye accelerate development or northern regions and for me this is one of the prime reasons ye hu them imbalance.
I see so for 1441 you should come afa ya sitting mu nsem ho ena ye de oswafo a ohwe also share ya sitting mu nsem ne kwan befa so a ye bebo enipa omuni bie mobrowa ene emma ye nyina ye boy hu ba bi na obi se yi gender na say ya ne enta hu mema na papa na
wo ka hu papa
ya ka hu papa protection no bi wo ho man
yes
anyway enti san komo na ye twetwe no ene enti ubetumi e de asembisa ana ase bibi wo ho a ususu a ana bia ba bi wo ho a ye hia pa ye mfa ye ni hwe ya ubetumi e de text message about we just do it over here na ya hwe ho asem akana nane sa enipa na omo ye fa de se ye hia omo pa no o ka bibi about omo didim now apart from didim no typically so wonama baby akọkọ no uhu uhia ni otumi se hia ni na wo wa hu bi sa pen
but you know
how was it like say ni pa no hu no say hia
for am titu emrewa na nkokran na na moframan na muhu wana it touches my heart a lot because nipa na ayedwuma say ehu a aye call district be ehu wana etum ho in different ways which Muntuman describe but them wana nkokran wa ayedwuma wa magana na yan problem nye de bebre informal sector wa to naze wo
ono ankasa na ye na adwuma
ana oye farmer odo enti onye adwuma wo officer obenya pension yen maame nom no onwon wo ye adwuma wo office enti so bosom so a wonya pension na other people were bebre wɔ Ghana wanye adwuma wɔ office enti sɛ bosom so a wonya sika bia first na mboframa wɔhwɛ one maamenom na one papa say onto them enkote azibechin wɔbaka dɛ abrebo bi wo obi ni fie n'echi oya anyen na wɔbɔ na anyen na nzema enti nkokra number 1 were problems bebre enti na here ministry say ya to office years ama nkokra number 1 from throughout in history of Ghana no yen hwe nkokra number 1 wonsam kra na says 2010 what your population census what can Ghana fund what's a 6.7% of Ghana fund were Mrwana Kokra. That is out of is it 24 million. And so you're able to me calculations. Says I say your son, ye nanto achimota kwanodra. Ebe wunda Kokra Namrewa doso says ya Ghana. Ha. Inti number 1, ye national health insurance for nakase. Inti ye registered in Kokra Namrewa national health over 2-3 months in the in Prime Basa or Hensia 3,650 yen target 10,000. Apart from that yenye Ministry of Transport ayen sheshe and na yenye Metro Mass so kasa de ancha yetumi yenya ID yema mbrewa na kokra na ancha so wo for Metro Mass na mo wontua sike bia GPRT for so wo boa hen papa registration na ye no what so transport fares do man pa from mrewa na kokra
okay
ye nyi won so ba kasa de ancha se mrewa na kokra do trotro station a won ma won gina enyim se line wo kwa won ma won gina enyim
anase yenye ayi Kameka say bus rapid system. Omudu omunya different line sort of.
In sheshe bia wo be ye ama one life why easy and she be pay ye any banks so kasa binum po start in our hospitals Ghana Health Service there ye po won cho se mrewa na nkokra bokwa or there wash one na se line po wo kwa wo ma won bra enyim ma won chen apart from that no so no ye pede ye boy centers ma mrewa na nkokra help age will be na minim there snakes for so ye bi wo osu asaze cha wo botum wa akokho na wa interact with others there why
okay let's benya nkokra day care center
nkokra day care center that my one from one day care center
to say elsewhere mo home for aged okay
na
but has in an so I don't know what the bag na ha ebe so among for enkaze oh na papa na kwatena day care na that kind of
TK say you we baso you about a baso old people's home or brochura yes on back Ghana dan say be wa
okay
private for wato chapel wato be of Volta region minim there akosombo road no so be wo
so it's coming
and on the Sakumo no so yes it says mboframa ze one maamenom ko old people's home wo Ghana ha
okay
yedru ho into there abanso so yehwe mosa yebo support nkokra number 1 or yaza odama komad papa
okay maybe said at the property obey ya ebetimi amasa ade no abegina but o kan asem bi say ye wa adwen bi sa minim say bi a enye very dominant organ ha oba ye penisa na yese wa ye bayifo eno kura kan ho bi nti bi e won say wo ko hompo and say ne grandchildren cry who because obawi sad no ye be den na yetimi knock out of your system because e wo hoda bia sometimes Mr. Mekon to that religious groups cry fuel perception
take me da CP says 10th of December Ministry of Gender and hen Domestic Violence Secretariat and Action Aid here a conference from Kokese on witchcraft and accusation of witches in your 10th of December in your
there invite witches no
yeah invite Sofo priests,
okay.
prayer
Asofo,
camp,
all right.
asofo, prayer camp operators, traditional priests, and north witch camp. Gambaga na other witch
those,
camp
yeah.
and accused alleged witches so war bamba can we no masem ye beye one can 10th of December.
You don't mean this.
I'm serious.
Alleged wishes no so baby.
Or baba.
Woman on better now.
Yo.
But you are not sure whether
may want to know every day.
But when you sure so we are no one yet.
They are 1 year. 1 year.
How do
1
you
year. I know.
Back on cry anymore.
They be 1 year. They be. I don't believe it. They be. Na antena Mr. Funkutin na ye was ye yen.
Some more power.
Our power. It's ye them conference ye pede ye churches no prayer camp operators, traditional priests and traditional leaders now what manage which camps were north and ye one kasa. Apart from that, so you better there you book close down some of the camps. Say I know civil society for ye juba papa were north together with Action Aid 132 inmates of which camps and say why resettle in their communities. Traditional leaders in our civil society groups and Presbyterian Church, Action Aid and others, one year communities na ye discussions. So far 132 where fi camps and wako one fee, one family son, why embrace one, why do one hour way two.
Okay, because come be a question say guru na omo bafia. So be who was a former and retired ex which
program or
all right.
It's a family ye one casa civil society groups NGOs no ye one casa into oye in shebia wa kwadro very very well because yesha comes and yesha no emrewa titu no over 70% of inmates of camps no they are 70 and above. It's yes, it is they're targeted at elderly women. Into community in a himfunum now north and wajatum de practicing on ye papa. Aya equa broach equa conference pona most of what Ghana huna so what boy do I want to support how they Ghana at this time in our development.
Na sa no da so e wo ho.
Into there into ban za to yenyem there or there ye bibi wo ho into here ministry together with Ministry of Chieftaincy 10th of December no we are coming up with this program to address
and one of the newspapers unfortunately nanka was have the babe show there is this group almost say rescue nkoda say 160 ye force them into early marriages. Meaning, says I don't know better anymore. And then is it phenomenal?
But you know, or a big problem, or a problem or Ghana, there Abofraba. Now, this on your northern part of Ghana, na problem. Kokrobite along the coast on in your able to me when Abofraba or she squatter, wow, or she squatter or JSS. As a sa oko nukun no ho as a child oko school
married woman
into so but there onye senpia now I drop out of school into or a problem throughout regions of Ghana ha into here ministry of gender no care of UNICEF and Netherlands from next year and you roll out big national prevention of early childhood marriage. Different so UK government is very interested into next year and also be Africa regional conference on girl marriage. If you know Africa Girl Summit or Ghana maybe in November into Azar here in ministry no is a major priority for us. I don't
know attack no be why so na okay sabesi deal no mema na mba be ware wo no na mo be kasa na say nkorado na mo be no kasa so that they will not walk into it because sometimes you are not present free so be na ho na eba
Portugal all mboframan girls no but one no jaware no awofon na wo jaware no enti ye be focus on awofon so there ombwa abofraba ne de wezi 9 years 10 years na or cover and now wezi 14 years embassy girls also so you be empower one but teach you no community in a traditional leaders into your identifying role models across Kumawood stars like you there one can be one man now one support campaign there Aketesian girl no otne school na owie primary school owie JSS or one faso magana se ehwe nhyehyɛ statistical service demographic and health survey na se Aketesia wie school a the ban onwu from infant diseases because in share other ohwe that abofraba no one pande them are 6 killer diseases nyina obey ni nyina obama ne ba na is ban papa
because otiase
it is important for Ghana there Aketesia abofraba oye besia oboko school na we at least up to JSS and SSS. It's linked up with our development as a country. Inti na abanwa som zan there abofraba was a man the onward benin no yampin. Emrano ho Children's Act no wa oye very clear there. Enzi edu awochi 18 years entomo war say benyin no e beseo NZ 18 years
across border across regions am exempt regions no be say be o ha
ni nyina 18 years NZ 18 years edu awotwe what can we trim
do watch so we 18 na untimi nware
entum nware into them man brand ye pede ye make sure that ye be enforce
17 and a half
entum nware won to menje wa war wo mama na wo papa susu entum there ezi 8 years and 9 years na benyin business abade wo be menu awon do nti se oye penyin kakra otwebra na they be want to me yedem into them ambrana aban in the police hwe there ye be make sure that ye be enforce ye pede abofraba oye besia and even the boys nyina wo ko school no nya papa.
Talking about boys now, we be say because you the emphasis no core girl child in na ma balance no are tilted common side more to the extent that now universities be crow how we no more graduation we na man do so chen me so what is I think 2 years ago Ghana School of Law na mbisi afun what do so chen me so what ya
but sir still the million funo drosso. We still gender parity ya kakra but tertiary education it's just about 1/3 into say efa university for basa and polytechnic for basa ekuru besia maybe about 10 years 5 years ago none to them into yeah we are still working hard on it into mbesafun yendroso sin phone it's 1 out of every 3.
I see. But remember text me bisa we among for be bisa obi bisa question about disabled or bisa say then policy na mo ma disabled no so pacho he so bitime ye no na me hwes menya at that text messages na
pacho disabled no ye were National Council on Persons with Disability yen ministry no is part of yen ministry no na yenyim there emrana years bay on disabled from 2006 na azokura ye hwe wodo there emrano okay there sesia obisidana or there oye in a way disabled nyi botumwa access edano na sayesha edan bebre wo Ghana ha disabled want to want access random ma 10 years they after 10 years automatic or they dem bia or Ghana han disabled botumwa access into 10 years in obodu 2016 it says
so it means we have 2 more years.
We have 2 more years.
Okay.
To order your to make sure the buildings are disability friendly.
Okay.
Now yes, welfare and support of persons with disability in terms of one ejuma. And in terms
but
of
you building honor back no. I'm told say parliament ya reconfigure my no disability friendly now. That's what I learned.
Oh, then congratulations to Parliament.
But maybe I say bibi o was someone so some year did actually because time itself into me fast change emma. And is somebody monitoring. Because now you go see down and I bet 2016 you do na fe yakwohwe so wan ya na yenye
imporcho on here national council no you there you be roll out a program you be engage with town and country planning you be bohu dero you be adverts would use the media on that into year share na we roll out because 2 years is just round the corner into we have to step up on that
or else in 2016 no yes, ebedu na obia enye okay. Enti on pakono odibisa no all right. Tike kindly ask the minister okay. The text is not very clear but make all the same. Tike kindly tell the minister her government has okay. Also then compensation under Labor Compensation Act for 4 years. Minimum pakura na oka ho asem no. I don't know about it. Mi pakura bacho betumi actually mu ya. Okay, Nana, you are good. God bless you. This is Mercy. Usu Mercy Usu. Okay, a certain Mercy. Yes, a certain Mercy Usu. Okay, now okay, I'm an orphan and ask the minister how can I be in the group?
Okay.
Okay.
What I say? Minim district or na mpanacho onko social welfare office. I'm hoping there or baby obutu mo akọ social welfare say oko district assembly wa wo beche social welfare office because ye register orphans or Department of Social Welfare.
Inti department no ba obey dey or they den ba beche say or orphan.
What baby send questions? They'll ask questions now. Why investigations? It's a support to be why they can give some support.
It reminds me of some time ago. Na yeah. Towards Christmas. Na ma widows ma omonia ma na. One of the queues na mobe dimina or baby umuna or you're pregnant. And I could answer said beside say are you a widow no so akola na ordinary abano ono papa no mu na ewu na de onyim ni sisi ya de papa no ho pastor qualifies so yeah widow minim say be on top of your head winim districts are leap no or more year under because we be the lower trifo heman aba no bisa say yeah. Okay.
I'm not meaning there Accra, Gas South, AMA part of it, Western region, meaning there Shama, it's part of it. In fact, and there are several. I don't have the list. Maybe I have publish list and no be aware districts and by a increase.
Okay.
Increase numbers by 50,000 by the end of the year.
Sometimes I mean I'm kroma quite it me pa 4 a.m. 4:30. Now when who say nkwada 4 years 5 years no one am car kwan when me so observers are na.
Yes.
And I know say under your children's act no children ought to be protected. My dream is say protect part of the protection means say you don't expose them to meaning say what is hard na.
Yes. Important me be na at the policy level there child protection and welfare policy. Okay. Some of these issues. Though it should go to cabinet before the end of the year. Child protection and welfare policy. We validated it. Especially looking at young child labor and some of these issues. Apart from that, here Department of Children, here na coordinate early childhood interventions for government across board. It's also so we are reviving and doing a reform to take care of some of these issues because here in society it says here was street children. first ne be yenyi
children born by streets.
Yes, yes, I have 3 generations. Obi there na nana na mame no won nyina wo that street bro. Onyim no krom, onyim ebusua.
Yeah.
Say so ayaka za was ye mboframa, immesiafo, immenyimfo, all koso. Oyaza maybe 20 years ago no na onye as pronounced as it is now wo Ghana. Na say rural urban migration go for free hinterland warba. And it says we have the urban poor. There obi or Accra ha when Hianson obi or Krasi or another place.
Really?
Into them, yeah.
But obi or Krasi I've been say for the money more cast
them. Into as I make there, them as a man, 5 maybe 10 years ago, no, not to them. Into all they say, and social welfare, no, yes, na yes, ni biom. Na yetum yehwe dem manzeme nyina ye friend wo bro from emerging social issues or dey yetum ye restructure social welfare wo botum wa hwe dem manzeme nyina enti da penne ba sanyin ye meeting ye fresh social welfare directors former and experts ye nyem de ye kwa brochi a ye wo social work Ghana for our social work bebre why directors why adwuma bring no aba pension our Ghana ha one kasa no ba ministry there we able to ma aboa one my ahwen hyehyɛ warrior for social services for Ghana into 3 weeks ago no yenye want na the whole day into your report ye be hwɛ most ye be restructure social welfare or be respond to the current emerging social issues. Into them manzeme nyina recordo or here ministry.
So the issues up no being about oba obema mako ware wie obema say ni manam nkwa media oba no so die se nkwa media and it's na yes spousal yes meaning so far say you pass act
or parliament still or parliament
contrary
watch it because adopted 1992 constitution Article 22, Article 22, and Constitution kind there all day yes and dama amra yes but
there's been so many years.
Been so many years. But in there Supreme Court were overtaking po into Supreme Court need the judgment were but there once our no once I'm now Mr. and Mrs. Property yechim 50-50 equality. So Mr. and Mrs. Lita, 50 for Mr. Lita, 50 for Nana Oye Lita. In your what pass judgment. Even after them judgments, the Supreme Court say pass another a day. And to man can there ame be sere metnefie my adwuma enti I was wusika I benyin is the wusika is done enti I would there they be Supreme Court say ame be sere na metnefie no ezebana amenia ede mama pra ena nzeme nyina amehwe moframa mohoro wata na nini nyina oye adwuma
that cross so ba na yeka asem no
po say you oye adwuma unpaid work
wo hwe TV no
yes
but so mengware wa nka be ye adwuma be ye nka be pra all them all the same obe ye aduane all the same be si them all the same
Supreme Court no ken Supreme Court say oye adwuma enti say ye hwe de ejapaze wa warma ye becha na benyin se amna mukọ adwuma na mokoto cement moto ahwea na mesi dan no Supreme Court say dem adwuma na azabesa no so ye oye adwuma enti say ejapaze ba awarma besia na ekuna ye wo beche
enye problematic enye problematic
problematic
the interview bisa say ebi ni mo so adwene say eba ne say be encourage mbesafo another menyimfu binom mama ye lazy after you there and then okay obi so say okay what about say yakofa help somebody who feel obwa okay so and then obi gina so how dey be can say why you juma no because
normal supervision ni nya ye juma
okay
ma so na pa ama prapra edem ha moroko go ma ba
okay
or your supervision or your juma supervision ye juma Supreme Court no can but me there parliament so share aka kakra mo we constitution and legal committee no worry share kakra mo we me there interstate succession PNDC law 111 the way we into constitution and legal
but you strongly push for this because a lot of things happen especially among the Nkrofono who be the parents we are I will say we pam will be a fifi ho ebusafo be fa ne nyina aware no gu ya pe obema no nkwa sesa ne nyina or maybe this say man no say ukọ dofs kura man no kura mo boy en chance say first na it's true
na PNDC law 111 next year no be 30 years 1985 into 2015 no be 30 years since into new budget the law no was the interstate succession law now parliament so it will be very good there Waba pass to commemorate 30 years now the whole of Africa and Ghana and na ye pass them law no other African countries Waba na law na ye juma we have some issues with it into na worse son into Wabwa Misafuna and not only Misafu me so they benefited from PNDC law 111 into 30 years next year into the Department of Gender will commemorate 30 years of PNDC law 111.
We'll be part of that commemoration. But would you accept an invitation say that we were banana kasa about spousal property no kwa yebeka ho asem
maba anytime
na ya hwese you know because the meaningful be no problem and I'm no problem.
Yenye problem. Ya ye juma ya war. Ya ye juma ye nya ejapaze. Enti so ba there ye becha. I want to know there benyin ana nyepa krofa there ni nyina ye meza.
But yes anta na nya adwuma ntina etimi asemanka etimi court na court years 5 years 6 years they are quarreling about property.
Enti na constitution otwem. Constitution na kan there we have equitable we have equal rights to the property in the Supreme Court so wa affirm that pa ekuna ye japaze wa were ma ye nyina yenza na mra so so
obaba in spite of say obema na ne din da so
inyo
ne din da ne nyina so
inyo what say besian or contribute wife no or contribute a prime pray is bana menu bibi ameye supervision goma or ye de pa or yeziban yezi goma mu kwa dem enzame nyina no or your contribution
easy female protection power anyway I was for a twetwe nkomo bia we dey just general enema na ye ka ho asem but specifically we just say man be where dey here because we hu bia makwada ne papa na ne mama afimu na treatment ayede man just because somebody is dead ebi obeti de ye kan yase obi kura okura wutie ana wo hwe ebi atopen ana se oba ne be ma omontam asay a japade I mean a whole business collapses because a marriage is collapsed it's terrible nti one day you be share that to ebo asena na no ye wa ha say de be ka pa ye be share that kan ho asem because other people mo akomani mebo a I say na you ha say ya no as still I that's what who asem na kanti na generally then I'll be can you be page yes
so medasi PUTV for promoting Wabwa Ministry of Gender papa na ye kade leaping from Monday ye into obia otia oni leap card onko na Uncle Jeniska. Apart from that, a conference, National Social Protection Conference or International Conference Center.
National Social Protection Conference. Okay.
Bnada 18th of November. President, His Excellency, President John Mahama Nobe Dano, or a special guest. And that one as UTV.
But time, baby, no be
from 8:30.
Is it open to all?
It's not open, but
okay.
Yes,
restricted.
Okay.
Yes.
But you will be there to show it to everybody.
Okay.
And viewers, thank you to the viewers for all the support. But government say Moframa Mesiafo disabled, aged and other here na komado papa na bibia yebeya yezebabwa yezepo support yeba protect rights and promote the rights of these groups, and we'll do it, and we will not fail Ghanaians.
On behalf of Aged, my member said you into maybe you can also pick it up. Would be a co-pension, and you would have to struggle and son and then say kind of pension. Meaning, so I observe some people would have to travel. Or two coin free Kumasi now a bank would be Kobasa. In one case, would be all Kobasa no unya accident or Kwemuna. Mankasa Sikarenti unya accident, but it happened to them. Yet, me, your system be saying car dignity be for the aged. Why would be a Jumedia or Cotton fee, Krananka, dear bro? Sometimes you mean so I call some of the banks. Pensioners who work for your salary. Meaning, so I observe Sadana.
Yes. Ning and I said, my papa and my mammy, they were pensioners.
Okay.
And I know what it went into. I'm up me when I was a lawyer, me in my cases, IRS pensioners, my cases, I'm one. So I appreciate all that. Since Ministry of Gender, what so National Advisory Council on the Aged.
Okay.
For the first time in the history of Ghana.
Okay.
National Advice into Wabeshe, that man's a main SNIT is a member.
Okay.
Help Age is a member. Population Council and others. And a Pension Authority is also a member.
Okay.
It's that man's a main relating to pension as a Yabeshe under the National Advisory Council on the Aged. Monday na yetwano into yebe meet I'm sure in about a month to come up into next year no yebe shred them asem no and engage with SNIT and the National Pension Authority on that.
Okay. Abusua foreign chair sorry and yenso yebe be a social protection desk issues in na ya de abra wo.
Thank you.
All right, so Abusua chair sorry ne Honorable Nana Oyelitha, Minister Gender, Children and Social Protection. On one case, no, the Majmanda Dansana, Obabaye Minister, no, and Common Attrition, a door, so Yentimi and co detail, can say, really just general, but there are issues, Rebecca was especially spousal property, no, Rebecca was and then interstate succession, other related issues are. I don't know. So I observe these days. So better say, BCB ne boyfriend or any pictures. I could go baby at the mass.
Yeah.
There's even one region.
Yes. One of the celebs.
Yeah.
I think it's Tiffany or somebody. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is also a problem. Domestic Violence Secretariat. I mean, I have personally spoken to IGP about it there, or their CID phone, or they start to set up a unit or something around
this cyber,
cyber. In fact,
assault,
cyber assault and cyber bullying.
Last year, excuse me, early this year, I was supposed to attend a conference to Italy about cyber threats. And it's what so also where Jaime they are near. We picture number one. Then I put it in the public.
Yes. Ministry of Gender, there are three things. Number one, gender dialogue on this issue. Cyber safety for children.
Okay.
Because more primary access internet. What approaching say access internet abofraba wotum entum
site
websites automatically no is blocked.
Okay.
Say ano ye man was share computer enti awofo no yetum ye man boframa ne sika there one call cafe one call share internet obi apede ne ban okabrofo oye computer literate. But today, Mumban, they know the computer more than I do. And when you computer more than I do, when you phone, for a very long time, you put there to access internet or phone. What can you
but you send a text there?
Oh, Mutum. Oh, say I've learned. Say I've learned.
Because Matty says, Papa, me money there, so to send a text.
I'm not too bad on it. But the key thing there, and Bofferman will access pornographic material.
Yes.
Now says because of safety, young parents bebre young man Bofferman mobile phones. Our Bofferman is 8 years. Okay, it's a mobile phone. Internet access wodo. ebia on abofraban on access but nyonko be send no pornographic material. Now, before I maybe a minister, and me research in about, I think about 200 school children, both in urban and rural settlements. I hear that there's an increase in mboframa accessing pornographic material, and that is fueling gender-based violence.
Yes.
There, on because I want access pornographic material, no. Why ayakayakaze why nzama bebrea
vent your spleen on
inyo because nzama na wohun they play it out into there say na yenye ISPs no service providers no ye kasa there or there what filter because say why are they free for all in abofraba or internet or make friends on Facebook nanzama now we exchange pornographic materials but pornographic material no is not for mboframa into other yenye service providers na kasa it's AABB yenye Ministry of Communication yenye wana kasa either earlier this year and last year no Dr. Omani Boama was international conference. Was started Ministry of Communication. We take this matter up. The order how to protect mboframa from cyber abuse. In a cyber bullying, in a pornographic material, wasn't sexually suggestive text. Into ye baby a ban worship. Into here ministry together with Ministry of Communication and the Ghana Police Service. Your friend is cyber safety for children. South Africa, you wanna akasa into one where expertise. Into what's what train here in police, some of our police officers and all that because ekwa them what to work there say Facebook da abafraba men she will squatter and front picture and front to Facebook because pedophiles will track to your school. And so there are so many things all there in Shishaya all there here's the education service kasa about all these things. It's a juvenile or dorsal.
But unfortunately, yes, you didn't come on AC has a for and come on a dorsal, but we parent be so being your opportunity. Movie back one Kaunya, me pesa washer your friend of trust. The trust in just watch that movie. The can ubetias basically how I could akitwebi papa penimupa or timillion through Facebook. Or pretend they say, oh, yeah, no, so yeah, and then for the rest of the story, watch Trust. If you for the best, you are saying, "Come the best side, DBM, as and when I be banana say DBM." You pay once again, men come say best point savings and loans today, 14th November 2014. You be branch ewo Kumasi, KJT SAT. And Tisabre binim say Medina Shasi that and Timu Monte, you know. Mubi Mrs. Sabe Credo Biate, Monco na Monco Bois, na Bibia and Coso Kama pay, and Nana Oyeletha, Minister Gender, Children, Social Welfare, and Train Como, and they are bosso. Actually, that Chimbine, as Sunny and me, Makunti, Nana acquired by a Dasibium pass, Oba, and so. Ye Pejemu, and I fear that Kai say, did the good, did the local, who didn't swear the smart, to be simple, moderate, attractive. Na ya no aka so the refugees nso bebem na so wo hwe na say the na mo awo so the last you know say take away and I say now they akwa kuche obi ipeja yemu programs aka no so do adanya me ya aduma the sanction me dem ase.